Hi, I'm Chris with Majestic Air Conditioning. I'm here with Joseph at Aprilaire. When people ask us every single day, what's the best thing they can do for their system? It's change the filters. I just want to share a couple ideas that we have when it comes to replacing your Aprilaire filter. Now, if you notice on our cabinet, you have a QR code here. You can always scan that QR code when you're changing your filter and you get some more information. But I'd like Joseph to really help me understand what the best application for each of these filters are.
Yeah, so the nice thing about the Aprilaire cabinet here is you have a lot of options when it comes time to change your filter. So you just pull this door open, and what we have in there right now is a MERV 11, and we'll get to what that means in just one second. Nice clean white filter, but ordinarily you would change this when it was dirty. What would you say, Chris, about every 6 months to a year, usually a year on the MERV 11?
Have a lot of pets, I would say 6 months, but not opening and closing doors too much, I would say once a year.
So that year comes around, you scan this QR code, you go to the website, and you see a couple of different options. You see 213, you see 216, and you see 213 CBN, which stands for carbon. What does that mean? Well, what we're referring to here is the MERV, which is Minimum Efficiency Reporting Value, which is essentially a measurement of how much particulate this particular filter is pulling out of the air as it passes through the system. So depending on how sensitive you are or what's going on in your home, you might want to choose something different than the MERV 11 that this comes with. If you have a family who's very sensitive to asthma and allergy and pollen, you might want to get a 216. That captures up to 99% of some of those smaller particles. However, as Chris will tell you, maybe that's not the one you want. You might want to consider a 213 for some performance reasons, correct?
Sure. So if you decide to do the MERV 16 filter, I think it's one of the best ones to take all the particulates out of the air. But you want to make sure that system is designed to be able to take that kind of static pressure. So what my favorite is, and he'll get back into it, is the carbon filter. The one thing you want to know when he mentioned the 213 and the 213 carbon is one is every year, the other one is every 6 months. So the carbon filter is something you're going to have to change twice a year. Also, another thing that I really want to make sure that people understand is we want to make sure we take care of you and your healthy home, but we also want to make sure we take care of the equipment. It's really important to have good filtration to be able to make sure that blower motor stays clean at all times to be able to have the best performance and the best efficiency possible.
Yeah, we say if you don't have a good filter here, your lungs are the filter. That's true for your HVAC system too. We don't want it to be the one that's getting all that dirt and particulate in it either.
So Joseph, I want to make sure everyone understands that the best ways to actually get this filter is there's 4 ways. You can always go to our website and order from us online. We'll actually bring it out if you're a maintenance customer. Or also, we actually have an Amazon link that you can actually order it from Amazon or go to the Aprilaire website and order it there. So there's 4 great ways to be able to do it. You can always come by our office. We have them in stock at all times, and we'd love to take care of you.